Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new service that I have added inside my freemediatools.com website. The service name is Speech Translator, which I have made using Node.js and Express using the Google Translate API. So this is a service. I have given the link in the video description. You can go to this website freemediatools.com and here you will find this service, Speech Translator. So if you click the convert now, then it will open this window. This is a very simple interface that I have designed here. Here you will write your text that needs to be translated. Let's suppose I write a very simple hello world, and then you can select your language. There are various languages available, you can see. Let me just select Hindi language, so you will see Hindi language is there. If I click translate, you will see it will take some time, and now it is successfully translated this text, that is, you can see Namaste Dunya. So similarly, the restriction is not you can take any sort of paragraph. If you just copy this huge paragraph and right here, if you paste it here, and here you need to select the language. Let's suppose I select this time German language, and if I click translate, you will see it will translate this text to the German language. You can see this much of there, you can see that. So now let me just take this German language here, and now if I put this language once again into this box here, and now if I want to convert this German language to, let's suppose, Japanese, you will see Japanese, and if I click translate, so you will see it will take some time, and now it is successfully converted just to Japanese, you can see. So it is very simple to take as many words that you can and just copy paste it and then click the translate button, so it will successfully translate to you. Now if I take this Japanese version, and now if you want to convert this to English, if I click translate, so it will translate to the English language, you will see. So you can try out any sort of combination of the languages that you want to translate. You can translate any sort of language back to forth. So this is a great application, so I will highly recommend that you go to the video description, go to this website if you want to translate any sort of website or any bunch of text. So you can also share this web service to various social networks here: WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Gmail. And now let me just tell you how I have made this web service. All the source code regarding this is also given in the video description. So there are two links available in the video description. First is the actual link to the live demo, and the second link will be my blog post that I have written step by step. Let me just show you. So I am using the Google Translate API, but I am using a wrapper of Node.js. So we are using a Node.js library. Let me just show you which library I am using. So if you go to npm.js node package manager, and if you search for a package, let me just paste the package name. This is the package that I am using here. So it provides a free and unlimited usage of Google Translate. So you need not have to go to Google Translate API, Google Developer Console, and require a API key. So it provides a free and unlimited usage for this API. So you need not have to pay for Google Translate. As you know that Google Translate is a paid API, so you need to pay money. But this module will provide you unlimited usage. So you just need to install this module inside your Node.js project, and it also given a very simple example here, you will see. So there is a translate function inside this. You will provide your language, which language you want to input the text, and then you just need to provide the ISO code. So you can easily get the ISO code for any language. Let me just list of language ISO code. So if you Google it, you will get all the list here, you will see. If I just show you, this is a list, Wikipedia page is there. So all the languages which are supported, you can just get these codes here. These are the codes here. If I want to type Japanese here, you will see this is a code JA, and all the source code regarding this application that I made here is also given inside this blog post. So if you drag down, this is the actual index.js file that I have used here. So it contains a simple get request and a post request, and also it contains a speech translator.ejs file. So this contains simple HTML code here. So we have a simple select box. Inside this we are having different kinds of options for the languages. So, and after that we have a simple button to translate and also a text area to show the translated text. So these are the two files which are necessary for this service. So you can also make this service inside your Node.js project, and you will just need a VPS hosting platform to host your web service like this I am using here. So you can make your own web service like this. It is highly demandable by people, so people will search for this web service on Google. If so, the term will be speech translate online. So if you can rank this website, this will be highly profitable. So I will highly suggest that you make this web service. So it requires a very simple this npm module, which is Google Translate API. So just install this module inside your Node.js and go to my blog here and copy paste the code, and you will be able to make this application, which is you can see here. So it's a great application. I will highly recommend that you try it. Let me just write once again here. So various languages are there. So if I type Arabic here, you will also see the Arabic language. If I click translate, you will see it will translate this too. Let me just copy this and again show you. If I paste it and if I select Arabic here, click translate, so it will translate to the Arabic language. You can see that this is also used by millions of people on the world. So Chinese is also there, Croatian, Czech, Dutch is also there. So if you like this video guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.